Hi, I'm Professor Randy Dreyer with the S.J. Quinney College of Law at the University of Utah. This brief video is an introduction to a series of videotape lectures used as part of my 2015 spring semester course titled Information Privacy Law. Privacy and how one defines and protects it in an age of information abundance is taking a front and center position in our national debate. We live in an internet-driven world, a world where consumer profiling, big data information systems, and biometrics, coupled with an ethos of sharing through social media, has enabled businesses and individuals to monitor our everyday lives and to collect, aggregate, use, and sell personal information on a scale never before imagined. A world where government, in response to growing concerns over terrorism and national security, has dramatically increased its domestic and foreign surveillance activities and is vacuuming up massive amounts of personal data, which is being stored and analyzed in vast electronic databases. Some say privacy is dead or on its last death rattle. Others say privacy is alive and still highly valued, and that we are merely entering into a time where the contours of privacy are being reshaped to reflect our changing world. Whatever the case may be, the next few years will witness some epic and fierce battles between the competing values of privacy and transparency. These battles will be fought in corporate boardrooms, in our national and state legislatures, and ultimately in our courts. This course is designed to expose you to the emerging privacy issues of our day and to equip you with a basic understanding of the underlying legal and policy issues so you may understand and intelligently participate in our national debate. The next 21 videos are but a small part of the pedagogy for the course and are intended to impart basic information about a topic sufficient to provide you with an adequate knowledge foundation to facilitate a more in-depth discussion of the topics in class. The videos are integrated with the privacy blog topics and the questions of the week that students must research and post on the class blog each week. The video lectures address the following topics: the origins, definitions, and future of privacy, the reasonable expectation of privacy test, the common law invasion of privacy torts, the permanency of the internet, our immortal digital self, anonymous speech, heroes, wrongdoers, and internet trolls, the challenge of being anonymous, John and Jane Doe litigation, biometrics, GPS tracking, U.S. v. Jones and the Fourth Amendment, our surveillance society, automatic license plate readers, the privacy of cell phones and cell phone records, Riley v. California, the third-party doctrine and beyond, drones, privacy issues from above, the National Security Agency, Big Brother is watching, who's watching the watchers, the Foreign Intelligence Surveillance Court, privacy and the Internet of Things, connected cars, the person as a product, big data and data mining, information brokers, the complexities of do not track, privacy in schools, school monitoring of social media, and finally, privacy and medical information. The syllabus and course materials are posted on the Westlaw Education Network, which is a proprietary web portal accessible only to students registered for the course. However, the course does employ a publicly accessible class blog, which may be found at infoprivacylaw.blogspot.com. The course uses a modified flipped classroom pedagogy where the aforementioned video lectures, assigned readings, and other basic information about the week's privacy topic are available online and are viewed and read by the students before each class. If you desire more information about the course or my instructional approach, please email me at r.dreyer@honors.utah.edu. Thank you, and I hope you enjoy the course.